All right, y'all. So this is going to be our first potato harvest of 2025, and my son is going to help us check it out. So you ready, Jeffrey?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it. Let's see what we got. All right, y'all. Oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
That's the biggest one we got.
Look at that potato.
We got
two
baby
two
ones.
Little baby ones too. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice.
Oh my God.
Okay, so you can just put them up here, but
okay. Yes.
Little baby potato.
Yeah.
2 baby potatoes. Ooh, look at that big one. Look at that, y'all. That's a nice sized potato.
That's the dad potato.
All right, you can just put it up there, kid.
Okay.
Just put it up there. We'll clean them later. Let's see what else we got.
Oh, we got another baby one, guys.
Another baby. All right.
We got a medium one, guys.
Look at that medium one. Oh, look at here.
Oh, yeah, we got.
Oh, look at that.
We got another medium one.
Nice.
Like there's little animals in it.
Little ants. That's cool.
It's not that bad, guys. So we don't have to worry about that.
Well, they are living in dirt, so yeah.
That's the natural habitat. And we got another baby.
Look at that. Put that on the side. Let's put it down somewhere. Yeah, I'll take it. Let's put it over there.
Oh, we got another one.
Got another one in there. All right. Not bad, y'all. Not bad.
Nope.
That's a rock.
Yeah. Oh, we got a baby.
A baby. A baby potato.
Yeah. Oh, we got
there's another one. Yeah. It's like an Easter egg hunt.
Basically.
That might be all of them, huh?
Yeah. Oh, we got another one.
Oh, there's another one. That might be it, y'all.
Guys.
Oh, wait. Did I see one?
Oh.
A little baby.
Another baby one, guys.
Little baby potato. Let's see. Dig deep down up in there.
Oh, we got another one.
Oh, look at that. Another one. Nice. Look at all these potatoes we got, y'all. Not bad. Grow your own food, people. Grow your own food.
You never know how much you'll get.
That's right. And don't forget, y'all, this came from us, the potatoes from the store.
Right from the store, guys.
Right from the store. And see, I got a couple more here. But I'm gonna plant these. I know it's late, but yeah, I'm gonna plant these too. See that? I'm gonna plant these because they're sprouting, and hopefully we can get more potatoes just like that. That's pretty cool. All right, y'all. I think that's it.
All right, guys. Yeah, that might be it.
All right. So guess what? We have more coming up too. So here's another one right here. You see that? Those are potatoes too. They're almost ready.
And there's some over there.
And there's some way over there in our little jungle on the patio.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank you, Jeffrey. Nice work.
Stay tuned, guys, for more episodes.
All right.
Of us taking out potatoes from the garden.
That's right. All right, people. Stay tuned. All right. Peace out. Tell them bye.
Peace, guys. Bye.
Peace out. All right, y'all.